tectonic shift. Shaping the future with innovation.
Hi, welcome to the Tectonic Shift. This is our first video of Azure DevOps. In this video, I will give you a brief intro, a brief definition of what is Azure DevOps, and also an introduction of Azure DevOps board, which is the most important thing in Azure DevOps. Now, what is Azure DevOps? Azure DevOps was a software as a platform service launched by Microsoft back in collaborate and create automated build, version control, and release management, and etc. and so on. It has been a rich feature since 2018. Now, when you log into your organizational portal of Azure DevOps, you might have this kind of view here. On the left hand side, you have your organization, and in the center you have the project of your organization. You can have more than one project here, but I currently only have one project here. If I click here, I will go into my project, and then on the left hand side we have the most important menu of the Azure DevOps that is mostly used throughout Azure DevOps. Now let's jump into what is Azure Boards. Azure Boards are used to track work item types with standard system fields and manage these work items with interactive backlog boards, lists, and calendar views. You can access various options in Azure Boards like work items. Now, what is this option? It is used to access a list of work items based upon specific filter criteria, such as, for example, this is a filter criteria. Next we have boards. Boards, as it is evident from the name, board is used to have a board view of your work items. It allows you to drag and drop. As you can see, I am able to drag and drop here. And also it is used to implement Kanban practices to visualize workflow for a team. Then we have backlogs. Backlog is used to view, plan, order, and organize work items. It can be used to represent your project plan and a with respect to features and effects. In the upcoming videos, I will show you how you can create different features, different features, issues, and tasks. That is the most important thing in Azure Boards. Next, we have sprints. In sprints are used to sort and filter work item with respect to sprints, and also with respect to teams. You can switch teams, and you can see the work items assigned to those teams. This is just an intro video of the sprints, but in the upcoming videos I will show you how you can create a new sprint, how you will be able to add work items to that sprint, and how you will be able to create a capacity of it. Then we have queries. Queries are used to query work items in bulk. For example, in layman's terms, you have thousands of work items. You want to access or see those work items based upon a specific criteria. For example, build numbers. You can use queries to filter those work items. Currently, I do not have those query available, but in future, in our future podcast, I would be showing you how we can create queries and how we can filter through work items. Then we have delivery plans. It is related to the management, upper management, and the project manager. It is used to create plans of the project, and the most important feature of is it can be used to track dependencies and deliverables across multiple teams. And with this view, you can view the backlogs of up to at least 15 teams. Then in the hand we have analytical view. In analytical view, from this view we can create Power BI reports, and also we can create our own view from this new view, or can use this custom already available views for our ease. Well, that's all for the Azure Boards introduction right now. In the upcoming podcast, we will be discussing each and every one of these items in details. Stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks.